said he doesn't want to be in my vlog, so I'm not gonna put his face. I'm just gonna leave it. It's just gonna be a montage of. You'll see. So I'm gonna be visiting a friend from high school. He's my boy. He's my boy, Blue. I've known this guy for I've known him and his brother for years, probably since like 4th grade. We've been neighbors for years. Obviously, I moved. He's a really talented musician, as well as his brother. He's been wanting to do a video, you know. Oh my God. Why do they fucking call when I'm about to vlog? Nobody fucking calls me.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
So he plays violin and he wants to do a classical piece. So he hit me up and said, hey, you know what, can you help me? Because actually I met up with him yesterday too, and he doesn't want to be in the vlog. Because he just doesn't want to be rude. He's just really shy. He's really shy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So far. So recently I ordered this mic, and this is one of the reasons why in the beginning it'll say testing out new equipment, because this is a lot smaller than the mic I was using. So let me show you this mic. I was using this mic. See, it's way too big, way too long. That's what she said. And it's just it needs batteries the whole time. This new one doesn't need batteries. So, you know, this one breaks. It broke already. All the little rubber bands it needed. This one doesn't have any of that. This is considered wind filter, but this one has a way better wind filter. So it's called a dead cat. Hopefully the audio is a lot better. Like I said, I'm just testing out all these things I'm buying. Sometimes I just buy random shit. This, I don't need it no more.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.